Okay everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to unboil an egg. And then I'll be showing you how to cook an egg with no heat. Okay, so egg whites and egg yolks are made of proteins. And proteins are basically really big, long molecules made of what's called amino acids. Kind of like these clumps of aluminum foil here. But when you start to heat up the egg, the proteins start to vibrate a little bit more. And they vibrate so much that they can't stay hooked together in their clumps. So when the egg white heats up, these long molecules start to spread out again, and they kind of unravel. Raw egg whites at the end. Let's try it. Okay, I have here my cooked eggs. Okay, so I'm going to grind up the egg and then I'll put it in the urea solution with the egg protein. But in my case, the simplest method was just to dilute it. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the Action Lab. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when my latest video